up guys, it's Bubs Plays and today we are back and we're doing another unboxing video, and today what we're doing is we're unboxing the fidget cube. It's really fun. I have my fidget spinner right here. I got it a few days ago. Yeah, a few days ago. Like, that looks so weird on camera. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it. I have a knife right here, but who needs a knife? But I'll just use. It's useless. Yeah, I'm unboxing it. So this is what the fidget cube looks like. Just got the boxes to the side. And yo, look at this masterpiece. Look at it. It's the fidget spinner. I mean fidget cube. Why am I so ridiculous saying the fidget cube? A fidget spinner. What does this do anyway? It says on here breathe. No, breathe. Anyway, this is just too fun. Dun, 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 dun. Let's kick to the R to the enter G. Yeah, this is really fun. I'm just fidgeting with the fidget spinner. I'm at a cube. Ah! Okay. Whenever I say fidget spinner, I get this. No. Whenever I muddle these two up, I have to slap myself. Okay, go. So yeah, I have to. This fidget cube is really fun. I mean, what do you think is better, the fidget spinner or the fidget cube? Spin. Oh, actually, I can do this. Dun, 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 dun. And I really like this camo for the fidget cube. The fidget cube is really cool. I mean, why do they have this bit? I mean, it's just the waist. The fidget spinner. It's not the fidget spinner. I mean, the fidget cube could have something else rather than this, rather than a breathing bit. What's up, Dad? So yeah, I suggest you should buy one of these fidget cubes and the fidget spinner. These are really fun. Look, but what a catch! But I like these fidget spinners better because they're better. Okay, I hope you liked it. Subscribe. Peace. Oh yeah, peace, Bob's Army. Have a nice day. Bye.